So when you squeeze it, it opens it up.
Ah.
Figured you out, Toyota. Can't trick me.
Like my Dutch then start to drift. Like my Dutch then start to drift.
So this thing, when we first got it, came all the way out to here pretty much, for the intake, which is way too big. It's made for a Supra, so it has more room. So we just cut the front of it off to get the fitting for the crankcase vent. So we just needed one fitting, so we just cut a little section of it because we have to run the MAF still, the sensor. So now it's nice and compact, and we have the fitting. So.
Alright, so we got the radiator mocked up. We have halfway decent clearance. We're probably gonna have to do push fans, though. But at least the front end is on the car. 1JZ350Z! What a great idea. Best idea of the year.
Cut this lip off here and drill the hole and put a new nut and bolt under this. That would move all this back. So if you just cut this here and then just drill a new hole, then we'll be back here, and that'll give you a lot more room.
You're so excited to help, it's not even funny.
I love helping. Is that gonna be alright for you, Nick? That's here?
This hose has to go.
Nick said yeah. Look at that!
Turn the key off.